Charter a private jet with Champion Jets to or from Florida. Champion Jets takes the utmost care to meet your privacy and security needs and arrive at every destination on your itinerary on time in comfort and luxury. Champion Jets gives you competitive pricing. We receive multiple offers from jet operators, and without the fees associated with jet sharing or jet brokerage programs, you save even more. Wouldn't you like to avoid the hassle of commercial flights? From yoga to catering to crisp champagne, a Champion Jets flight is the most luxurious way to travel. For the most convenient, cost-effective private air travel, call Champion Jets today at 866-325-6486 or visit us at www.championjetflights.com.